Standing here with Clarence, Regional Director for Hong Kong, Taiwan, Macau for BytePlus. Clarence, exciting.
Yeah,
here
very
you
exciting
are
to be here.
at G2E Macau 2025. You were not here last year.
It's my first year to be here.
Yeah. And what's the latest? What are you hearing? What are you hoping to achieve at this year's show?
Well, because we have some really great AI solution for marketing, for customer services, so that's why we're here to showcase our capability in terms of using AI.
When you say marketing, can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Yeah, of course. Can you imagine a year ago we can use maybe just a sentence to generate a whole video for the marketing for a different hotel group? I think nowadays for our solution, especially for AI, if we, for example, Macau is a very great place for tourism. So we can just use a few keywords to generate a video for Macau to promote its tourism capability and its beautiful city.
How close are we to making that happen? For example, we know with AI video, there's sometimes some glitches or some little flaws. How close is it to really happening?
I think in terms of AI, it does take a bit of time for the training. It does take a bit of time for us to make the AI up to speed. But in my session this afternoon, we're going to showcase our capability in doing use just a prompt, a sentence, to generate a video for marketing. Yeah.
And is there any part of this process that you feel like, obviously you're ready to launch, but what would be the one little spot that's still a little bit quite not there yet?
I would say we do have something, always something to improve. But for us, we do looking at, if technology is we do have update every day for our solution. For example, how to improve a music, how do we because people's behavior are always changing, how are we going to do different music to be more suitable for advertising as well. So for us, every day is a challenge for us. We need to make everything perfect for our customer. I think that's the thing we need to work on.
And you said music. So when you have the videos, there's going to be a nice overlay of music.
Yeah, that's right. Maybe a symphony, maybe a pop songs, because people behaviors are always changing.
Sure.
So that's a challenge for our AI. We need to up to speed with the human behaviors.
You said initially hospitality or hotels are really receptive to your technology.
We do have customer in Greater China using our technology to promote the marketing. So I would say so far we're getting a very good feedback, for our marketing solution.
For operators, for casino operators, brick and mortar casinos, who are not on board with AI right now, it might not even be your product, BytePlus, might be in terms of AI and operations. Maybe they're just lagging behind. What is your advice to them?
I would say try different solution. Try to use adapt different process, AI process into our data process. To improve the efficiency. I think nowadays AI, we're not here to replace human, but we're trying to use AI to improve our efficiency. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
What's the most exciting thing we're going to see in terms of AI in 2025?
Like I said before, AI and technology keep changing every day as well. So I would like to see next time when people go to cinema, a few prompt, for a producer, a few prompt, they can transform their creativity into a movie, into a 4D or 5D movie, so everybody can enjoy it.
Pause on that for a moment. You said transform creativity. Coming from the creative world, I feel like there's still a part to this that is powerful, the ideation.
Yeah.
Giving it the right prompt and then knowing how to revise that prompt to get the result that somebody wants.
Yeah. So in terms of course, I mean, prompt is maybe something we use AI to interact with AI to give us more inspiration. But of course, ongoing, I mean, creativity is not like it's not just a prompt. As simple as just a prompt. It could mean so many things like the way to direct a movie. Like I said, music before, script as well. So that still involve lots of creativity, and we need to wisely use AI to interact with our creativity. Yeah, in terms of generate a joyful movie or even an impressive advertisement for business.
Clarence, thank you.
Thank you so much, Philip.
Yeah, have a great G2E.
Yeah, you too. Thank you so much for having me.
Thank
you.